Hey friends, we are working on some treats and eats for New Year's. I hope you was with us through our Christmas 10-day bake-off. We had a great time making all these. Oh golly, what all did we make? We made cinnamon, we made peanut butter balls, we made cheesecake balls, we made fudge, we made a cheese ball. We made so much, even pies and cakes and you name it, we made it. So now we are working on a few treats and eats for New Year's, which is coming up. And just like to show you a couple. As you know, this is Billy T. Garden within the kitchen. And as I said, we're working on some New Year's treats. So if you don't mind, do that one thing. Please go down and subscribe. Costs you nothing, no obligations, no nothing. It helps me out so much. I would thank you very much. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and turn on notifications so you'll know when my next video comes out. Without further ado, I want to show you another little treat. We're still last time we was working with chocolate. Well, we're still working with chocolate some. So I had quite a bit of melting chocolate left after Christmas and stuff that we was dipping stuff in and all. So we're going to use that and some other things we had that we had left and make a few treats. Let me show you what we got. Now, I have already made these. These are these are white chocolate. These have white chocolate with chocolate chips, and these are dark chocolate with pecans, and they are so good. So let me show you how to make these. They're so easy. We have got our mold here, and we have got our chocolate here, our melting chocolate. I just melted it. In my last video, you'll see that we made some cheesecake, mini cheesecakes, and poured this, incorporated this with them. Now I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate, so I'll be right back. As I said, folks, this is so easy. What we're going to do, we're going to take our chocolate and we're going to pour it in our mold. Like so. And keep it going. And you can make these plain, or of course you can, put nuts in them or chocolate chips, or, it's all up to you, but it's something good for your guest or yourself to even munch on. They come out about right for chocolate, didn't it? Okay, we'll finish filling these up. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take our pecans and pour it over top of this. Like we're doing here. Of course, they're not going to be perfect. You'll probably have more in one than another. You could also take and put your pecans, mix it in your chocolate and pour these, whichever. But I like doing it this way. I don't know why. Just do. No big deal. Now, we will take and we'll make a mess for a minute, but it will go. Now, we're pushing them down in there. Like so. Just like so. That way it gets good and incorporated into our chocolate like this. Okay. Now see, of course, now we have too much chocolate. Beans, we kind of forced some out to replace with the pecans here, but that's okay. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Now see, Now, you don't see no pecans. They are all pushed down in each little mold. I love using my little molds. If you was with us through our Christmas bake-off, we use these to make our cinnamon candy with as well. But, of course, you never have to use a mold, but I just think it makes it cleaner looking. Okay, now we will, you don't have to do this. I just am just to clean them up. It makes, it just makes breaking them up and taking them out a whole lot cleaner. Now, all we got to do is let these set up. That's it. So we will put these in the refrigerator and let them set up. And when we're done, we will have the same thing we do right here. These little bites of goodness. They are so good, folks. They really are. So that's all there is to it. Maybe you saw me last time we made our cheesecake minis. This time just little chocolates and stuff with our molds infused with pecans. Just what a get in the kitchen and do you something. Try something. Try it out. It's so much fun. You ain't gonna get nothing done sitting there watching this. I'd like you to watch it, but do both. Go in the kitchen and get you some stuff together and sit down with me and let's do this together. Anyways, I thank y'all so much. We've had such a ball with our 10-day countdown, and now with our New Year's parties, treats and eats and stuff, our snacks and all. Try them, see what you think. Drop me a comment and let me know. I'd sure appreciate it. If you tried any of my recipes, drop me a comment. I'd sure like to know. But anyways, I thank y'all so much. Till next time, to our next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye. See ya.